Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we'll discuss about the example of turning effect in our daily life. Okay, first example. Here is 7 examples are there. We will discuss 2 or 3 examples. Okay, now look at this. Number 1 is a door. Okay, opening a door by push or pull. Opening or closing a door by push or pull. Now this one, look at this. This side is the fixed point and here is the handle. Okay, this is the fixed point and here is the handle. We will push or pull, then the door will open and close. So this fixed point is called the pivot point. For example, here look at this. This is an example. Suppose this is a door. This is a photo album, but let us suppose this is a door. Okay, same arrangement is there. So this door, this is a fixed point. This side is a fixed point, and here this is a handle. That point is a handle. Okay, so we will push or pull. The door will open. The door will open. Okay. Now this fixed point is a pivot point. Okay, where the body will rotate. This is a fixed point where the body will rotate. That fixed point is the pivot point. So here is the pivot point. Now if you put, and if we are applying a force here we are applying a force in this direction. Okay, so in upward direction. So in upward direction, if we put the handle, if you pull the handle, what happen? The door will open. The door will open. So we will fix the handle at the end. Why? Because the distance between the pivot point and the force is more. This is called the perpendicular distance. Here the force is applied in upward direction. Look at this. Force is applied in upward direction. And this is the pivot point. So the distance, this angle made, this is the perpendicular distance. Okay, so we will put the handle here. We are not putting the handle at the middle. What happened if we put the handle at the middle? Then we will apply more force. If the handle is there, then we apply more force to just open this small door. But if you put the handle here, will the door will open? Try it. It will not open. If you put the handle here at pivot point, the handle will this door will not open. Why? Because the distance between the pivot point and this perpendicular distance will be 0. Okay, so this is the one of the example of the turning effect. Okay, hope you understand. Second example is, look at this. Second example, this one. Hand floor grinder. Look, the hand floor grinder. Okay, so fixed point P is a pivot point, and there is a rim or handle is there. Handle rim is there. Put at the end. Okay, and we push, rotate this one, then this hand floor grinder will rotate. Okay, like this. Look at this. This is a hand floor grinder. Okay, now that is the fixed point. That is pivoted point, and we put the handle at the corner here. Why we are not putting the handle at the center? Why we are putting here? Because the perpendicular distance between them is more. If the D is more, turning effect will be more. Okay, here less force will apply. If you put the handle here, the distance decreases, then we need more force. But if you put the handle here at the middle, then it will never be rotate. Okay, but if you put the handle here, then this will be rotate easily. Okay, by applying the same force. Okay, So by this is one of the example of the turning effect by a hand flow grinder. Look at this. Here steering number 5, steering. These are the just drill machine is also working on the same steering car. The turning steering wheel in a car or a truck. The driver applies force at the point of the rim of the wheel as shown in figure. Here the driver apply a force here in this direction. The body will rotate. This is the pivot point. Okay, now this is very, very important, the spanner. Look at this, the spanner. Okay, so we will force, this is the perpendicular distance. Here is the pivot point. Here is the pivot point of this object. Okay, or here we can see there. Now look at it, the long handle. This distance is called the perpendicular distance because force is applied here, upward direction or downward direction. Okay, so if the handle is more, perpendicular distance is more, then we will open the nut easier. Okay, this nut will be rotate. This nut, if you apply force here, then the nut will rotate like this. If you apply force from upward direction, the nut will rotate in that direction. Okay, a spanner used to tight or loosen nut has a long handle to produce a large turning effect by small force. Just a small force will create large turning effect. Okay, by small force at the end of the handle as shown in the figure. So these are some examples of the turning effect. Okay, there is also bicycle for the wheels of the bicycles are there. If you apply force here, pushing, then this will rotate, and this will also rotate. In this way, by applying force, the two wheels are rotated and the bicycle will move ahead. So these are the examples of the turning effect.